How to use the Newline RS Touch Display. Let's start with the home screen. Tip number 1. Customize the source menu. Hold down on one of the source buttons. Then tap the title of the source and change it. You can also change a button by tapping it, pressing the X, and changing it to a different source or gadget, which we'll talk about later. Make sure to press the home button on the bottom when you are done. Tip number 2. Add shortcuts. To add a shortcut, press the Add button. Then, select the shortcuts you'd like to add. You can add a source or a gadget. You can select multiple sources and gadgets to add to your shortcut bar. Tip number 3. Use gadgets. To use a gadget, press the Gadgets button and select the gadget you'd like to use. Let's discuss wallpapers and themes. Tip number 1. Switch to colorful theme. First, press the Settings button. Then, select Display and Theme. Choose Theme. Then press Colorful. Next, press the Home button on the sidebar. Tip number 2. Upload a custom wallpaper. Press the Settings button. Select Display and Theme. Choose Wallpaper. And press the plus button. You can select a screenshot or a picture you've saved in the file viewer. When you have your picture, press Apply. Finally, press the Home button on the sidebar. Let's discuss using the whiteboard and annotation tools. Tip number 1. Easily access the whiteboard. First, make any annotations you'd like on the main screen. Then, press the button in the bottom left corner to switch to the whiteboard. After you're done making your annotations, press the button at the bottom left again to switch back to the main screen. Tip number 2. Take a screenshot. After you've made your annotations on the main screen, press the camera in the box icon at the bottom right. Then, select the download icon. And select Save to Picture. You can access your screenshots in the File Viewer under the Pictures tab. Tip number 3. Rub to erase. If you've made a mistake while annotating, instead of selecting the eraser tool, rub your fist over the accidental annotation. Tip number 4. Add a sticky note. If you want to add a sticky note over your annotations on the whiteboard, press the ... at the bottom left corner, press Sticky Note, select your color, and tap on the screen to place the sticky note. Then, add whatever you would like to the sticky note. Let's learn about some advanced features. Tip number 1. Turn on short press to sleep. Tap the settings icon, scroll down to Power, select Power option, click Sleep, and click OK. Now whenever you click the power button on your display, it'll go to sleep. You can always press and hold on the display to shut it off. Press the power button again to take you to the start screen. Tip number 2. Set an energy saving timer. Back in the power menu, click Energy Saving. Then, select the amount of time you wish for the display to wait before automatically turning off. Tip number 3. Turn on the blue light filter. In Settings, scroll down to Smart Eye Protection. Turn on blue light filter and select the amount of blue light you want filtered. Let's go over how to teach with Zoom. Tip number 1. Plug in the USB touch cable. By plugging in this cable to your computer, you'll be able to use your laptop as a touchscreen on the display. Tip number 2. Annotate while screen sharing. While screen sharing in Zoom, click on Annotate. Make sure to disable annotations for others by going to More and making sure it says Enable Annotations for others. Then, annotate away on your display. Bonus tip: subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn notifications on to get updates on when we post new videos. Thank you so much for watching, and you just learned how to use your Newline RS Touch Display.